Baker Face. I'm Miphy. Welcome to Miphy Face. Today I'm making some Lollipop Cookies. Here's what you're going to need. Put the flour to the bowl. Now I need to put it. Well, that's a lot of sugar. These cookies gotta be sweet. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now you have to mix it up. Mix. Butter. Yay, I did it! And now you need to add the sugar. I add vanilla extract. I got the yolk out. Ooh, it looks like it's gonna be cookie dough. I don't want to get eggs to my hands. We didn't want to mix it today. Into 3 balls. Put the same amount in each ball. Now we need to add food coloring in each bowl. There it goes. Here's the 5 parts I mix it up. It's coming together. It's the right Play-Doh. You mix the cookie dough. It's coming together. Wow! Okay, it's really done. Now I need to put it to the bowl. My hands are so messy. Now I need to do the glue. Now I need to stick it in using my hands. To the refrigerator. 1 hour. Okay, where's the refrigerator? Oh, here he is. What is this then? Oh. Okay, Baker Fan. Now we need to get the cookie dough out of the refrigerator.
Go get it.
Now we need to roll out. to make the cookies for 9 to 12 minutes. Making lollipop cookies, let me know in the comments. I make a fist. See you next time, Mom.